Hey guys, this is Mr. Hunt. Joining you on Thursday morning. This is your up. I'm up teaching the lesson on changes in the mean, the median, the mode, or the range. Okay. Hopefully, I will see you guys this morning at 12 o'clock. I will be teaching on Zoom. This lesson as well, but I also will be doing it from IXL. We'll be on IXL solving some of these problems as well. So join me on Zoom at 12 o'clock every day. The more faces, the merrier. All right. So today, the objective is changes in the mean, the mode, the median, and the range. Now, so it says, look at this set of numbers. Okay. 72, 92, 97, 81, 24, 64, 19, 79, 24. I see the numbers. Okay. What do you want me to do with them? It says, which value would change the most if the numbers 97 were replaced? It should be would replace one of the 24s in the set. So first of all, they want you to look at these numbers, put them in order, find the mean, the mode, and the median for these numbers. Then grab one of the 24s, get rid of it, put in 97 for one of the 24s, and then find the mean, the mode, and the median again and see what changed the most. So remember, the mean is you adding up all the numbers, dividing by the number of numbers you have. The median is the middle number, okay? The middle number. Put them in order from least to greatest and find the middle number. The mode is the number that repeats itself the most often. Here we go. Now, so let's look at the original set of data as is. I'm not replacing one of the 24s with 97. Okay, there's already 97 in there, but they're saying replace one of these two 24s, just one of the 24s with 97. But I'm looking at the original data as is. I put them in order from least to greatest. Put them in order from least to greatest. I have here 9 numbers. Okay, with 9 numbers, the middle number will be the fifth number. The fifth number is 74. So I already know that for the original set of data, my median is 74, which I have right here. Right here, 74. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So add them all up. I'm adding them up. I get 554. How many numbers do I have? You have 9 numbers. So 554 divided by 9 will give you your mean. 554 divided by 9, I get a mean of 61.6. Okay, now the mode is the number that repeats the most. Put them in order from least to greatest. Look right here from the least to greatest. What number do you see that repeats itself the most? Every number appears once besides 24. 24 appears twice. So the mode is 24. For the original set of data, the mean is 61.6, the median is 74, the mode is 24. Now what you're going to do is replace one of the 24s with the 97. Okay, now the original set of data is up here. I'm going to get rid of these 24s, erase one of 20, and put a 97 in. So now I'm at 2 97s. Okay, let's look at the data now. From greatest to least, 19, 24, 64, 74, 79, 81, 92, 97, 97. This is the new data. I replaced one of the 24s with the 97. Now, put them in order from least to greatest. You still have 9 numbers. The median will be the middle number. The middle number out of 9 numbers is the fifth number. So my median is 79. Okay, so look at this. My new median with the new data is 79. It was 74. So that's a change of 5. So the median, yeah, it changed, but it didn't change by that much. Let's keep looking at it. Now, add them all up. I'm adding them up. I get a sum of 627. Divide that by how many numbers you have, it gives you the mean. 627 divided by 9, you get a mean of 69.7. So the mean was 61.6 with the original set of data. You change it, and now you get a mean of, you change the data, you get a mean of 69.7. So yeah, the mean was 61.7, now it's 69.7. It changed by about 8 to 9 points. Yeah, that's a change, that's significant. But let's see the mode. The mode is the number that appears the most often. So the mode was 24. When I replace the data, what number appears the most looking at this data right here? It looks like the number that appears the most is right here, 97. The number that appeared the most before was 24 in your original data, okay? So your mode is now 97. So your mode was 24, now your mode is 97. So what's the biggest change? It's this right here. It went from 24 to 97. So the answer should be the mode would change the most from 24 to 97. Okay? Now, I know this appears hard. It's not. You know how to calculate the median. You know how to calculate the mean. You know how to calculate the mode. Just follow the steps. Don't forget, follow the steps, okay? Now, here we go. Next problem. I'm going to page 2, and I'm having problems getting there. Here we go. Look at the set of numbers. 6, 6, 8, 8, 2, 3, 8, 3, 4. How much would the mode decrease if the number 6 replace one of the 8s in the set? So I have 3 8s in here. They want me to replace one of these 8s. I have 3 8s in here. I'm going to look at the original data, but eventually I'm going to replace one of these 8s with the 6. Okay? I'm going to get rid of one of these 8s and put a 6. But first I have to do the original data. And they want to know how much would the mode decrease if you replace one of the 8s with a 6. So the original data, put it in order from least to greatest. 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8. What is the mode? Well, looks like the mode is 8 because 8 is appearing 3 times. There are some numbers that appear 2 times, but the number that appears the most is 8. So the mode is 8. Now I have to change the data. I'm going to have to get rid of one of these 8s up here and make it a 6. Okay, so now I'm have 3 6s. So I'm going to go down into the bottom. You're going to look at the new set of data, put it in order from least to greatest. Now, instead of me having 3 8s, I have 2 8s, but I have 3 6s. Okay, wow, that's bad. I don't like 3 6s. Okay, now for another reason. Okay, here we go. Now the mode is the number that appears the most. What appears the most? 6. So the mode is 6. So it says, how much would the mode decrease if you replace one of the 6s with an 8? The mode will go from 8 to 6, so the mode would decrease by 2. Okay? The mode would decrease by 2. That's my final answer. It went from 8 to 6, so it was 8, it became 6, it decreased. Now, here we go. Next one. Look at the set of numbers. The set of 8 numbers. 24, 80, 74, 20, 18, 52, 7, 69. How much would the median change if the number 13 was added to the set of data? I'm not getting rid of any data. I'm going to add 13 to the data. So first, I need to know what the data looks like without the 13. Okay, now, so how much would the median change? They want to know, would it increase, decrease, or change? Look, how much would the median change if the number 13 were added to the set of data? Would it increase, decrease, or no change? So first of all, what is the median? The median is the middle number. Line it up from least to greatest and find out which number is the middle. You can have 2 middle numbers. If you do, add them together, divide by 2. That's the median. Now, here we go. The original data. The original data had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 numbers. It has 2 middle numbers, okay? That has 2 middle numbers, add them together, divide by 2. The median for the original data is 38, okay? The median was, let me erase this so you can see it. The 2 middle numbers was 24 and 52. I added them together, I divided by 2, and now my median is 38. Now, I'm going to add to this data now. I did have 8 numbers, now I'm going to have 9. Okay, remember, odd numbers are easier to find the median because you just pick the middle number. If I gave you 5 numbers, you can tell me, oh, Mr. Hunt, the middle number is 3. There, you don't have 2 middle numbers, you have 1 middle number, okay? Now, here we go. You're adding 13 to your data now. You're not getting any of the other data. So, here we go. Scroll down. Add the number 13 to the set of data. Put it in order from least to greatest. Now, I don't have 2 middle numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. Therefore, my median, my middle number has to be right there. Okay? Right there. Okay, now, how many numbers do I have? I have 9 now. Before I had 8. All I did was add a number to the data set. Now, adding that number to the data set, put them in order from least to greatest. Here is the new median. Remember, you added the number 13. So here is 13 right here. You added this to the data. All it did was give you another number to add, and it gave you more data points. Now you have 9 instead of 8. The median is 24. The middle number is 24. So it was 38. The median was 38. It became 24. So they said, would it increase, decrease, or no change? Looks like it went from 38 to 24. That is a decrease. The median decreased. The median would decrease if the number 13 was added to the set of data. So I did that. I'm done. Okay. And one more. It says, look at this set of six numbers. They're letting you know you have six numbers. By how much would the range increase if the number 1 replace one of the sevens in the data set? So find out what the range is of this data. Okay, find out the range of this data. That's the highest minus the smallest number, or the greatest number minus the least number. So then once you find that range, get rid of one of the sevens and make it a 1. Okay, and then find the range of that data, the highest number minus the lowest number. So here we go. The range is found by calculating the difference between the greatest and the least value. Fine. My original set of data is here. Put in order from least to greatest. The largest number is 7, smallest number is 3. To find the range, I subtract 7 minus 3 is 4. My range is 4. Bam. With the original set of data. Here we go. Now, replace one of the sevens with a 1. I got rid of one of my sevens. I erased it. Now I have a 1 here. The greatest number is still 7, but the least number is not 7 anymore, it's 1. The range is the greatest minus the least. 7 minus 1 is 6. So what happened? The range was 4. It now became 6. Okay? And the range, so now it was 4. It now became 6. So what would happen to the range? It would increase, and it would increase by 2 numbers. The range would increase by 2 because the range went from 4 to 6. Okay? So your assignment will be changes in the mean, the median, the mode, and the range on iExcel. Do not forget to log in to clever.com first. Once you do, you can use a search code to find what I put the search code in your list of instructions. Use the search code to find your iExcel assignment. Complete the assignment. You want a smart score of 80. Once you get a smart score of 80, you can stop, or you can go higher and you get extra credit. Okay. Thank you. For those kids that are joining me on Zoom all week, I have a special surprise for them on Friday. Okay. Special surprise for those that join me all week on Zoom at 12 o'clock. All right, guys. Mr. Hunt is out. Peace. My daughter's laughing at me because I use peace. So I hope you guys heard her laughing at her daddy. Okay. Bye.